Here's some shots of the damage that we had from this last snowstorm. You can see the pine tree that fell down just missed Cheyenne's window. That's one of 4 trees that we lost. 2 here, if you can see, the tops came down, so of course these 2 trees are history, because these 2 are history because they can't live without their tops, which are down here on the ground. And here's tree number 4 that fell pretty much across from our kitchen window, but wasn't really that close to the house. And what's left of the tree there, you can see a lot of stress on a lot of the trees here. Hoping for a little bit of gentle wind today to take down some of that snow so that maybe these trees will make it the rest of the winter. And there's my bush in the front yard. It's plastered. And we'll back up. Still got the moon out here, that's pretty cool. Let's see if we can get Dad in this cute little red hat. Where'd he go? Wave, Dad!
Not Harry. Well, I wait for that snowplow driver to come by and then he'll plow the end of the driveway in twice, you know.
Where are your choppers?
I'm broke. I don't have them expensive fine choppers. Hey, I got these cheap Menards ones they sell in the spring for like $2.
You call yourself a Uber.
Well, my choppers are wore right out, eh?
See a tree there in the backyard that's down in the neighbor's yard. It's got a couple of big branches here and there in the yard to take care of, but all in all, 4 trees down.
Rest of the winter to go.
I'll teach Dad to complain about not being able to get any more wood this year. The camera, though, you just can't get the view of it. I need a wider angle lens.
If we get any wind, we're gonna have lots of trees down, hey?
I'm hoping for a gentle wind that will cause it to just gently fall. Am I dreaming? Probably.
It's like balmy out there, eh?
Oh, for sure, for sure. I just told the girls your thermostat don't work.
What's that?
I just told the girls your thermostat don't work. So yeah, there's like a tree on the deck from behind Shy's window. It doesn't look like we have any deck damage though. We should be able to get that